Okay, welcome to Naija Donors. I'm about to take you on a guide on how to withdraw your funds on Naija Donors. So after raising your campaign and receiving donations, you can simply withdraw your funds by logging into your account and going to your dashboard. Hover into your dashboard. The first action towards withdrawing your funds is to go into your withdrawal setting. In here, you go to your withdrawal setting where you are required to update your account details. When you click on this button, the configure button, you click on this button here, and in this page you are required to input your bank details in this format: your bank name, your bank account name, your bank account number, and the account type, either savings or current. Just as seen here, it is my GT Bank, my name, my account number, and then my account type. So after clicking this, after inserting this correctly, rather, you click on the submit button. This will successfully change your settings, and then you are now ready for withdrawals. So to withdraw your funds, you go to your campaign settings, you click on withdrawal here. When you click on withdrawal, you go to the withdrawal page. This is where you get to see your amount donated and then your available funds. This is where your withdrawal is possible. This is where your withdrawal request comes from. This is 80% of your funds after the platform must have minus 20%, which is the platform fee, of 15% and 5% for transaction charges. This is your available funds for withdrawal. So after I've received the donation of 2.5, I'm eligible to withdraw 2,000 naira. Why it's 1.5 here is because I've made several withdrawal requests previously. Let's go to my withdrawal history. When I go to this page, you see my withdrawals. Previously I've requested for 300 and I've requested for 200 naira, which was paid to me accurately. So now when you join this tool, it is 500 naira, right? So let's go to our campaigns now. When you click on this withdrawal here, it tells you that we have 1.5. So if you are adding up that 500 naira, which was withdraw a few days ago, is going to be 2,000 naira. So 2,000 naira is 80% of 2.5. I don't know if you get it. 2,000 naira is 80% of 2,500 naira. This is after minusing our 20% transaction fee on the platform. So when you get to this stage now, you get to insert whatever amount you wish to withdraw. You can withdraw 500 naira, you can withdraw 1,000 naira, you can withdraw 1,500 naira, you can withdraw 550 naira, whichever amount you desire to withdraw. So now the thing is this, okay, 1.5. So when you request for this now, there is a 50 naira transaction, or let me probably say withdrawal charges. Withdrawal charges is 50 naira. Like when you go to our fees page, when you log into our fees page, it is clearly written there that our platform takes 20% of your donation and then an extra 50 naira. Okay, this is it. It says Naija Donors charges 20% of each donations received. This 20% includes the platform fee of 15% plus payment processing fee of 5%. Also note that 30 to 50 naira will be charged from the campaigner's balance upon money withdrawal. Now when you request for, say you're requesting for 500 naira from this, what you get to receive in your account is 450 naira. What you get to receive is 450 naira after the 50 naira transaction charges will be withdrawn, will be minused. So not 50 naira actually, it depends, because there is it depends on the current bank charges. You understand? Depends on the current bank charges. I guess bank charges about 30 naira for transactions below 5,000, I guess. So it depends on the amount you are withdrawing, but I guess the maximum account or the maximum amount for any transfer is 15 naira, I guess. So when you, what I'm trying to say here is, when you request for a withdrawal, the transaction charges are added upon or are minus from your amount withdraw. So what you have to do here now, let's try to withdraw 500, and then you click on submit. So once you click on this, it goes. Now when you go to your withdrawals here, you get to see your request. So now we have requested for 500 naira to be paid into our account, and it's pending to pay. And then this, maybe probably you made this by mistake, or you want to reverse this, you can simply click on delete. So once you click on delete, so let's try to see something now. When you go to your campaigns now, and then you click on withdrawal, the money has been minus from this. You get, the money has already been minus from this, so your balance now is 1,000 naira. But when you say, oh, I don't need this money, I really don't need this money, I should allow this grow up more, you can just decide to delete this withdrawal. So when you delete this withdrawal request, your funds are returned back to you. When you go back to your withdrawals, you'll see that your funds are returned back. So requesting for your money is as simple as this. So after making your request, you receive a call from Naija Donors to verify your information, or text to verify your information and make sure that we're paying into the appropriate account. So thank you for watching, and this is Naija Donors.